10 dual-sport motorcycles for riders who demand more. The popularity of dual-purpose motorcycles is surging. Riders are increasingly recognizing the advantages of dedicated dual sports over heavier, more touring-focused adventure bikes. While ADVs excel on paved roads, even the lightest models can't match a true dual sports off-road agility. The trade-off is clear. Lightweight dirt bikes are often uncomfortable for long-distance travel. But for riders prioritizing off-road capability, this discomfort is a small price to pay. This article compiles 10 current dual-sport options, ranked by manufacturer-suggested retail price, MSRP. Data is sourced from reputable manufacturers including KTM, Kawasaki, and GasGas. Kawasaki KLX 300, $5,649. Don't underestimate the KLX 300's seemingly basic specs. This bike is essentially an updated version of the legendary KLX 250R from the 1990s, a dirt bike with lights that could compete with motocrossers. The fuel injection ensures it meets modern emissions standards, making it a surprisingly capable off-road machine. KTM 390 Enduro R, $6,049. The 390 Enduro R blurs the line between dual sport and adventure bike. It features a nimble street bike chassis paired with impressive off-road electronics. While heavier than some pure dual sports, it delivers excellent value for riders who want versatility. Honda CRF 300L Rally, $6,499. The CRF 300L Rally has become a favorite among long-distance adventurers. Its reliability, reasonable comfort, and affordability make it an ideal platform for cross-continent journeys. It's not the most powerful bike on the market, but it excels where it counts. Beta Alp 4, $6,790. The Beta Alp 4 stands out due to its unconventional engine sourcing. Unlike other Beta models, it uses an engine manufactured in China. While reliability remains to be proven, this bike offers a unique alternative for riders seeking something different. Kawasaki KLR 650, $6,999. The KLR 650 is a workhorse designed for exploration. Its basic wind protection makes highway riding tolerable, while its legendary reliability ensures it can handle whatever you throw at it. The KLR also boasts a strong community of riders, which provides support and shared knowledge. Honda XR 650L, $6,999. The XR 650L is a no-nonsense machine with an impressive 13 inches of ground clearance. It still uses a carburetor, lending it a rugged, old-school charm. The tall seat height and electric start are defining features. A kickstart would be brutal on this big single. Suzuki Dr. Z4S, $8,999. The Dr. Z4S is an expensive option, but offers modern technology and Suzuki's reputation for reliability. It balances off-road capability with street-legal maintenance intervals, making it a versatile choice for riders who want the best of both worlds. Cove 450 Rally, $9,299. Cove made a splash by entering the grueling Dakar Rally, where its bikes not only finished, but also won stages. The 450 Rally shares many components with the actual rally bike, offering serious performance at a relatively accessible price. Honda CRF 450 RL, $10,099. The CRF 450 RL is essentially a dirt bike with lights, a raw, powerful machine that demands respect. Maintenance intervals are short, and the stock fueling is notoriously lame. But with a simple tune, it transforms into an enduro weapon. 2024 GasGas E700, $12,699. For riders who prioritize power above all else, the GasGas E700 delivers. It's technically a slightly older version of the KTM 690 Enduro R, but some dealers are offering significant discounts, making it an incredible value. Ultimately, the best dual sport depends on individual needs and priorities. Whether you're seeking a budget-friendly workhorse or a high-performance machine, the market offers a wide range of options. The key is to choose a bike that matches your riding style and intended use.